Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is Friday. Girl loves her Fridays. Even though I worked today, I basically had a half day, so I'm not mad about that. Oh my gosh, what is with this weather? Because it just like got so cold randomly, and I was like embracing spring. Like last vlog, I was like, oh my gosh,
spring is here. Spring is not here.
I actually really like my fit today. I'm wearing a turtleneck and kind of like an oversized cardigan. I have, let me see if I can show you. I have a skirt and then tights on, and then I have fuzzy socks. Since I have time, actually, you know what? I'm gonna charge my phone while I do this. 1 second. I figured I wanted to just sit down and chat. Our little community continuously amazes me. And thank you to all the new subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. More than anything, I just want to be like my true authentic self on here. I will say though, in person, I am significantly more introverted, but I think I've just grown really comfortable just vlogging and being how I usually am with like my closest friends to you guys on the camera. Traveling a lot this year, so there's gonna be a lot of travel vlogs coming, and I'm so excited for that. It's such a sacrifice to be vlogging while traveling. I know months down the road, years down the road, I am gonna appreciate it so much because it's memories I can look back on and memories with my friends. I feel incredibly grateful this year that all my trips actually I've been able to travel with friends. Like I absolutely love traveling. And when you're single, it's kind of hard to travel to places unless you're very comfortable traveling to wherever you want to go solo. And there are certain places that I'm very open to traveling solo. However, some places, you know, you just want to have a companion. So I'm very grateful that all my trips I have amazing friends that are joining me. I am off to Korea in about a week, and I am nervous. I am excited. I've been on a really strict meal prep regimen because I just want to lose a little bit of a weight, anticipating that I'm going to gain it all back when I'm in Korea. It is my first out of North America trip that I've done in a while. Actually, yeah, it's because I've only been really traveling in North America all last year. It's just I'm the type of person who, one, is a type A planner, and then two, is just super anxious leading up to a trip. But once I'm there, it's like it's like a sigh of relief, and I can just like enjoy. So Korea is just gonna be a ton of eating, shopping, cafe hopping,
and matcha lattes.
Korea has a ton of cafes, and I am so excited to just go matcha hunting in Korea. I feel like this year is going by so fast, and I'm very grateful for it. Like 2025 is the year, guys. 2025 is the year. This is I'm not gonna say peak, because obviously there's many more years of living. I think this is like gonna be a very memorable year for me, and then I can already feel it in the sense that this year's already been so good to me. I feel like I've really fought to get to this level of peace and happiness. Yeah, with like changes of season, especially winter to spring, I think spring is such a hopeful time period, and it really makes you reflect a lot. And there's just like so much to look forward to, in the sense that one, it's nice out, and two, there's just a lot more to do, a lot of opportunities to hang out with friends, travel. It's just going to be a really fruitful time period, and I'm just really trying to soak in every minute of it, even though the months are just flying by. Honestly, like blink of an eye, I feel like it's going to be half of the year already.
이렇게 거의 걸리면
솔직히 거기서 좀 매워.
When life gives you tangerines, like I usually don't cry, but this trauma has got me tearing up.
엉망이도 생일날 같이 보고 싶겠지.
넘을 수가 있어. 걔가 걔를 낳지, 소가 소를 낳지. 천선을 누가 낳겠어? 동영 무신장했어. 쑤셔 넣느라고 나 잠도 못 자.
걱정하지 마. 겁먹지 마. 나 여기 있어. 나 여기 있을 거야. 알지?
하나도 걱정한데 내 몸을 내가 몰라.
몰랐다. 무쇠가 얼마나 약한 사람인지.
이렇게 못 좋아하는 사람이 내 발만 보고 가네.
당신 넘어지면
좀 보게 해.
내년엔 당신 보러 장가게 가자.
누가 나 뺏어갈까 봐.
다시 없으면
I don't know what happened, but it is snowing so much right now. Like, where is spring? Honestly, it is snowing a lot. There's several inches of snow right now, which means I have to shovel the snow, so bleh. I have so much Juno hair on my clothes, but it's been a minute since I've been to Ella Grace Marketplace, and this is a great spot for thrifting. You have all these vendor booths, and it's organized chaos in a way, and there's so much to look at, and I can probably be here for hours if I wanted to. You get some really high quality pieces here. It is on the higher price range for thrifting, but honestly, there's a lot of hidden gems here. I am back home. I went to 2 different thrift places. I was at Ella Grace. They had like a little thrifting event and sale. So I managed to grab 2 things, which I'm very excited about. I think I'm gonna like redecorate my house a little bit. First is a vase. Super cute. Obviously, you kind of know I like my oriental stuff. And then the second thing, this is a vintage ginger jar. Cute. I don't have a ton of stuff in like this red style. One more thing. So I know I have a lot of teapots, but this is so pretty. It's like got some green, red, and blue detailing. So this one I actually picked up at Value Village. So this is all my thrift finds. dinner. I need to use up a lot of ingredients in my fridge. Here I just have curry udon. I have some potatoes, carrots, broccoli, side of kimchi, and freshly squeezed apple juice. Thank goodness I wore this apron when I was cooking today because I definitely splashed on myself. You can see like a few stains already. So I'm just gonna keep this on while I eat as well. I finished When Life Gives You Tangerines, and I also finished My Dearest Nemesis. So now I need to start another drama. I think I am going to watch this one. I think I'll watch The Potato Lab.
남자는 어떤 존재인가요?
슬래그상에 대한 계획은 있으신 거죠? 네? 제가 사망할 시에 조 부장님께서 제 모욕감을 21억 정도일 겁니다.